save the best for last.
Yes.
You spend 3 days here. So that's why you're here for 3 days.
Okay.
Bad. I was a real beat down.
Okay.
So, we've been here 25 years. Wow. Oh my God.
Wow.
And, people always ask me, one, why I left America. And I'm very honest about why I left America. I don't like America. Okay?
Yes.
First and foremost, I don't like America. And the first chance I got an opportunity to leave America on a permanent basis, I took it. Okay? And I'm not sorry that I left America. I don't miss anything or anyone in America enough that I want to go back to. Okay? So, and then we'll talk about that a little bit more, but I don't have to scream. But this group, and I'm looking for my crew, because I wanted y'all to be the people responsible for tickling your tummies for the next 3 days. Okay? But they really do look down. They get down, get down. And most people, when they come, say the best food they've eaten is food that they eat here at One Average. Okay, so you can eat salads at our place and all the rest of that because we tend to be very careful about the food that we eat. So this group that's about to perform for you, the young man standing there is David. And David was one of our students. We had an education sponsorship program for years in which we looked for diasporan Africans to sponsor the education of Ghanaian children. We did not allow white people to sponsor our children. I got accused of being racist as a result of that, but I really don't care. Our goal was to establish a relationship between Africans in the diaspora and Africans on the continent. So in the program started in 1992, and 38 children graduated through our program. They are teachers, managers, plumbers, electricians. One is an engineer. We have a mechanical engineer, first female electrical engineer. Okay. And most of these children, all of them in fact, came from either our village or some local area. Okay. We were successful in bringing a youth to America in 1992 for emergency surgery, in which his trip and his surgery came to over $350,000. That was with the assistance of the Nation of Islam and Minister Farrakhan and his group. So our children have, done really good things, and they've remained close to home. Okay, so 38 children. I'm finished. And this young man over here, El Shabazz, is my son. Shabazz is the chef extraordinaire, but the stress. This is my phone. I always know my phone from anybody else's. Take off all your clothes. It's getting hot. So take off all your clothes. Okay.